Palaging on the mood mag-aral? Hello everyone! So ito na nga, napabili na kami nitong Sweet Kids Children's Ergonomic Adjustable Study Table and Chair. Ang easy lang niya i-assemble, as in, ilang minutes lang. Nakakatuwa nga din siya i-assemble kasi parang puzzle lang. At nagmamadali na nga mga anak ko dahil excited na sila to use this cute table at talaga namang pink na pink ang pinili namin. At talaga na namang napaka-aesthetic nito. Sino ba naman ang hindi makakapag-study ng mabuti kung ganito ba naman ang study table mo? Nako naman. At napaka-comfortable naman itong chair. And this is a convertible deck surface na pwede din siyang drawing board for kids, mas lalong nakakatuwa. At dahil talaga mahilig din sila talagang mag-drawing. And look at this compartment, it will help your kids to get organized with their things. And this is suitable for ages 3 to 18 years old. So kahit pag-college sila, magagamit pa nila ito. With its adjustment function, you can set it how tall and short you may want. Ang ganda nga naman talaga nitong table na to at napaka-organized. Buy this set and you will get a free eye protection lamp. So mommies and daddies, what are you waiting for? Check out na yan!